A doll's day. So I bought this piece a while back. I just never used it because I wanted to paint it white. It has 5 doors across and it has 10 drawers up. So total of 100 drawers total. I do like the way they're clear and that we could see what's inside, and they're pretty deep, about 5 inches deep. And so this is what I filled them up. The picture frames, and let's see what we got in here. These are some plants in here. They don't fit really well in there, but I have them in there for now. Um, what are these? Oh, these are like a few books that I have left over. I gotta make more. This is some towels I have made. I haven't put them into the diorama yet. I'm working on my bathroom. More towels. Let's see over here. There is a few things that I wanted to put in some of the bedrooms. Like a phone, like a drinking bottle, water bottle. Some things that also I wanna put in some of the rooms. And these ones I wanna put these things here. I think I wanna put in the restroom maybe. These things here. I don't know. I guess I'm just putting in these doors just a few odds and ends. Because you know what, to tell you the truth, I have so many things. And then some of them are odd size. These are like for vases and baskets. Odd sizes that they don't really fit well. And the drawers on the side, you have to like move them sideways. Look out, this one's really full. This one has some kitchen stuff that need to be put in the kitchen. That's gonna be a little decoration. There's more kitchen stuff. Okay, so I think I have like several drawers of kitchen stuff. Kitchen stuff again. This is more kitchen stuff, and I have a pack of eggs in there. Oh, that's nice. Can't wait to put those up. And then bathroom stuff. So these are some things I wanted to add to the bathroom. And kitchen items like trays and bowls. It barely fits in there. I don't know, maybe these drawers aren't the best idea for these things in particular. Or maybe I'm just overfilling the drawers. Now I just can't even get it in. Okay, let's try again. Get in there, please. Finally. These are just some odds and ends again. Have nails on the camera. Register things. Things I wanted to put into the master bedroom. These are some of the things I was going to put in the master bedroom. This one is some things maybe for the garden or something. I don't know. These are all purses in that one. They're all bags. This one is money and a little tugboat. Okay. Why they're oh my god, why they're together I have no idea. Sorry about that. Next door is, and they're always getting stuck to each other. I need to figure this thing out. There's some belts in there. Bags again. So I have a few bags in that one. That one opened again. Bags in this one. Bags in that one. Over here. Hey, do this one? Oh, it's just some resin from the Hello Kitty miniverse. Some foods from the mini brands are in there. I should take them out and put them where they go. These are some items that I guess they go to a bathroom. They need new labels on them. That's why they're in there. These are like foods and kitchen stuff, plates, cups, kitchen utensils. This one is some of the mini brands toys. I could barely even open it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna. Oh no, I didn't. I thought I was gonna have a hard time pushing it in. Foods. I love these toast. So lots of foods in that drawer. And this one also has foods as well. See what the next drawer has. Okay, these are some foods from the mini brands. They're in there. I gotta work on my farmer's market. There's so much food in here. I need to get this food out of here and place into the diorama. And more food. Well, these are cookies in there. Okay. Let's go back over here. And this one is... Okay, so kitchen items with food now. Again, still kitchen items and food. Hangers. These are some hangers I was making. And this... Oh, some more hangers that I'm making. These are some jars that I made. They have lids on top. They're made from beets. They're hummus jars. And this is some vegetables I was trying to make out of white air dry clay. And back over here. This one is just some items, I guess. Yeah. These are some items as well that are just gonna go into the dollhouse diorama. And now I realize I have way too much stuff. More towels, like at the bottom drawer. Kitchen items like plates and pots and cups. Some food items, I guess, to display in the pantry. And this is like a container I wanted to use. There's just odds and ends in there. Some of my drawers here, I just don't know what to put in them. Because I don't have a lot of one thing. Or sometimes I have too much of one thing. These are like little tiny glass balls with things I guess I want to use for crafting. Lights are in there. These are some beads for making more bottles. I like a lot of these beads that are in here. These are ponytails that I use for headbands for the dolls, and also very tiny clothespins and hair clips. So I do have a few things at the top here because I did not fit in the drawers. There's way too much stuff. I just have way too much stuff. There's bracelets, hangers. Okay, so in some of these drawers, let's see if I could show you pull out them. This one is necklaces. This one here is hair things, I think. This one here is bracelets. Well, makeup. This one here is bathroom stuff. The bathroom stuff really should have been in this other bathroom drawers, but they didn't even fit and stuff, so that's why they're up there. And there's hangers right there, and a whole mess of stuff that, I think I need better organization, guys. I also gotta get my rooms ready so I could get all these things out of drawers and onto the display. So that way they're not just hanging out here in drawers. But I'm still working on the framework of the bathroom and the laundry room. So a lot of these things are just gonna have to wait in here until I get things ready. Um, until then, I guess I'll try and figure out how to organize them better. But for now, they're just organized badly. This, guys, is the doll that I was talking about I was gonna give away. Unfortunately, my mother was in the ICU during April, you know, and unfortunately she passed away. So I did not get a chance to give away this doll, but I decided just to give her away during June, the end of June, which is my birthday. I decided just to give her away anyways. I was trying to build my channels to get up to 100 subscribers, but now I really don't care if I get 100 subscribers or not. I'm just gonna give her away. In the end of June is my birthday, and I'm just gonna give her away then. I decided somebody else could enjoy her since I had too many dolls already as it is, and I think someone else will be able to enjoy this beautiful lady here. So she's just a doll, one of my dolls from my collection I want to give away to anybody who really wants her. And June I'll be giving her away. Anyways, this has been a doll's day. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and please comment on what you like the best. Bye!